Okay, here goes part two. I'm gonna take the dead one out and give her a little proper burial here. And this is in my yard, so y'all don't think I'm being mean, but that's the one right there. And we're just gonna, let's see here. All right, I'm gonna do this as gently as possible here. Come on, baby. Yep, I think it's dead. You see here. Yeah, she's cold. Let me see here. Come on, baby. Come on. Dang, mosquitoes are horrible up here. Sorry. Getting ate alive. Hang on. I'm gonna put that right there on the napkin. Be back. Let me go get some mosquito spray on, man. These mosquitoes are horrible.